In front of me is Cubot Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on any photos that you wish to attach. You can also select folders if you can't find your photos here. Look for them in your gallery and tap on the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!